Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the floating text settings in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the main menu. Press the escape key or the corresponding key on your controller, or press this button right here. Then open Game Options. From here, make sure to open the Gameplay section and select Combat. Here, scroll down to the floating text section. Here you can change the floating text font from Crimson to Lato. I'll go with Crimson. You can always toggle on or off the Show Entering Combat Floating Text, Show Exiting Combat Floating Text, Show Lethal Floating Text on Killing Blow, and Show Floating Damage Text. You can also customize the damage text styling. Here you can change the color of the damage dealt and every other text styling. As you can see, here is how the menu looks. You can change the color by simply dragging this dot to any spot on the color wheel. Here you can adjust the brightness, and here you can adjust the darkness, I guess. So I will leave it as white, and you can always change the size from size small, medium, large and extra large. I will lower it to medium. You can do those changes to the following: damage dealt, critical damage taken, critical damage taken. Also, this goes for healing text styling. For healing received, critical healing received, healing and critical healing. After you made your changes, simply close the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.